Work out your own salvation with fear.
Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today I'm decorating my personal journal, which is the vertical layout happy planner. This is for the week of December 29th through January 4th. I am going to be using some stickers that I previously used, the florals. These new stickers will release in my shop January 1st at 9 a.m. Eastern Time. You can use the code Happy New Year in all capital letters and save 30% off your entire purchase. I'm going to use probably a combination of the matching florals and the decor to decorate this spread. And then I'm going to use the washi that I forgot to use in my dashboard layout. So let's go ahead and pull the sheets off. I think I tried to use these in one of my last spreads and I didn't think they would work. But I'm going to try to use Inspirational Quotes 6 in this spread. We shall see if it turns out okay. So I think we're gonna start with some florals maybe. I feel like you can always just stay in the safe zone if you just start with florals in the corners of your spread. So that is what we're gonna do. Like this. There. And then cut this little edge off. I have to make this a little outer edge on my stickers so that my Cricut doesn't cut inside of the sticker. So I apologize for that little outer edge there. And I think I'm going to take this and just kind of place it here. I don't like wasting stickers, so I need to feel like I've kind of used everything. That'll work. Okay, and then I may take a quote. I feel like these are so big. I don't know. Let's do a floral on the top up here. I love how I've got matching florals to go with my decor this time. And it is something that I will strive to continue doing as long as I can find the matching stickers. Trying to lay that down so that I can cut and use both pieces of this sticker without there being like an angle. I don't know if that makes sense, but I like to, like I said, use all the pieces of my stickers. So we can go down here with this, and then over here with this little piece. Whoa. Okay. Pretty. All right, and then I have one little floral left on this big sheet, and I think I want to kind of try to lay a couple boxes down. I will fill in with some lines off camera. So let's do a little one here. We're just going to kind of randomly scatter some boxes and then decorate around the boxes. Let's go here. And then maybe here. It'll be okay. And then we're going to do the opposite with this size. So we'll go maybe here. And then this one. Is that crooked? It's okay. And then we'll do this one here. All right, so we got our boxes down. I could use big boxes, but I don't know that I will. So let's just hold that. And then I kind of want to use some of these decor sheets. I think I'm going to use the mini one. And we're just going to kind of decorate. Put this little popcorn machine here. Oh, it's crooked. I think I might want to use the small sheet actually. So let's put that down. Let's grab the small sheets. Let's see. Do I want to use the small sheet? No, I think we're going to use the mini sheet. Let's go back to that plan. Okay, so we got the popcorn machine. Let's take and put I don't know. I want to use this one. I like the basket with the blankets, but I want it down in this corner. I think it's cute. Okay, and then let's hold on to that. Let's take some books. We're going to just make the books clip hang. It's okay. It'll be okay. Promise. It'll be okay. And then let's do the little bear here. And maybe, what can we do over here? Some popcorn. Let's do some popcorn over here. That's crooked popcorn, but it's okay. All right, this is cute. I like this so far. I don't know. I think I want to do... Let's do this right here. Yes, cute. Okay, and then I think what I'm going to do is take some flowers and decorate around my boxes like I did on one of my last threads. I don't remember which one it was. Probably both of them, actually. And we're just going to decorate here. So this is just my personal journal. I don't write a whole lot in here other than kind of how I felt for the day, kind of what I did for the day. So not like, don't need a ton of room to write. All right, that's cute. And then let's just kind of do the same thing here. We can use this one. If I can get it off the sheet. Sometimes these florals have such intricate cuts. Let's cut it this way. And let's lay this down. And then this. It's so cute. I love it. Look how cute the florals are, just like integrated into. I'm going to cut this because I don't quite need all of this. So we're just going to cut a little bit of this off. Oh, come here. So I have this much space to write here. For Tuesday, I can write here, 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 here. Wednesday, I have tons of room to write. So not going to worry too much about Wednesday right now. Let's just keep going. Oops, almost lost my washi. Let's see. I think we're going to use... Let's take my little ruler and just cut straight across here. and hope this is going to be straight. I don't know. Love it. I don't think I want to use this whole long floral, so I think we're going to cut off some of it, like right here. Yeah, like right here. Get my tweezers. Love it. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty, y'all. Look how pretty it is. Okay, so now we need to let's take this one and cut. What did I decide to do? Okay, like this. Let's cut like this. You just can't go wrong with flowers, guys. Just telling you. I know a lot of people in the planner community are like sick of flowers, but I don't think I'll ever get sick of flowers. Just don't think I will. I'm going to cut this, but this one is so little that I'm going to use 2 stickers for around this box. So like that, and then we're going to cut this one in half and use it across the bottom. Like that, and then like this. Perfect. Look how cute it is. I love it. Oh, it's adorable. Okay, so I kind of feel like I could do like some flowers. I'm just going to flower it up, y'all. I tend to go a little bit wild with some flowers, but it's okay. We're going to just lay some flowers. I think I'm going to just make it a little bit shorter than it is. Yep, love it. I kind of feel like I need some flowers off to the side there. So I'd hate to use, let's see, why don't we just do this? Yep, let's do that. Because I feel like it's kind of naked over on this side, so we're going to just put some flowers off to the side. Like this. I really wish I'd have laid this on top of the flowers, but it is what it is. It'll be okay. You really can't, it's not that big of a deal once I go in and rub everything down. So, all right, so do I want to put something here? Let's see what I could put there. Oi, I'm sitting on my leg and my leg is asleep. No, I don't think I'm going to. Let's put some of my washi down. So let's get this stuff out of the way. And let's put some of my pretty washi down. And I think we're going to go like here. Look how cute this washi is, y'all. I don't have much of it, so I've been kind of hoarding it. I don't know if I should do. I feel like it might be too much. Yeah, I feel like that's just too much. So let's just do like top and bottom of this washi. So let's go down here. So pretty. And then we'll go here. Oops, I just hit my camera. I'm sorry, y'all. I hit it with my elbow. Yes, this is so pretty. Let's go here. Love it. Okay, and then I think because I've got both of these on this side, I'm going to go here and here. Just because. I pulled that too tight. Don't pull your washi too tight or you'll curl your page. And then we'll go here. We'll make this one a little bit longer. Look how pretty it is. Oh my gosh, I love it. Okay, I did not put quotes. Can we put quotes? Should we put quotes? I don't know that I want to put quotes. I'm not going to put quotes. I think it's cute the way it is. I could use these quotes. Let's use these quotes. Grace upon grace. And I think I want to put it... This one, this is Faith Quotes 12. It says, faith does not make things easier, it makes them possible. And I really love that. So we're going to stick this up here. Yes, love it. And then we're going to take Grace Upon Grace and put it right down here. Or should we put it here? No, we're going to put it down here. Grace Upon Grace. Okay, I love it. All right, let's put it back in my planner. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, I hope you'll please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would love for 2026 to hit 10,000 subscribers. That would be awesome. Don't forget, mark your planners, set your alarms. January 1st, 9 a.m. Eastern Time, all of my new releases come out, and that coupon, Happy New Year, is available for 30% off your entire purchase. All purchases over $100 also get free shipping, so win-win. All right, that is it for my personal vertical layout journal. I will see you guys on my next one. I love y'all. Bye, guys.